Oh, sabona DJ Budget man. Ngawutsho kosixelele kunjani man? How is life? Hey, sure Brian man. Hey, life is good man. Hey, DJ Budget onwabile man. Hey, God is great. Into zenzeka wona bhuti wami. Hey, life is precious. Oh, ake siyavuya ke ndoda man ukuthi onwabile man. Now, tell us man, who is DJ Budget? How did it come along DJ DJ Budget? Yeah, hey, Brian, DJ Budget, his real name is Ndobeko Juan. Yeah, I was born here in Cape Town. Yeah, in Gugulethu, but now I stay in Khayelitsha. It came along DJ Budget when I used to own a club in Khayelitsha called M Lounge. So I used to hire most of DJs, like the celebrity DJs, the underground DJs. So when they play there, like I usually stand next to them, and I just fell in love with what they were doing. And then one night I just woke up in the morning, I said, no man, let me give this a chance. So that's how it started. Yeah, well, that's nice to hear when I teach a budget. Now, tell me when I'm fit to like, hey, there's a song, man, which is going around like in the streets of South Africa, man, because Imali Kwecha. Hey, Imali Kwecha, yeah. Can you give us a little bit about the song, man? Like, how did it come along? Like, where does the idea come from? Imali Kwecha, this song came like, like we're just enjoying time, like with me and other two DJs, DJ Led and DJ Ed Harrods, and then yes, we're enjoying Tycoon's man. Like it was lovely. It was not a party. It just happened that there was this guy who was willing to spend, and then like we started like through the beats of the songs we were listening to whilst having fun. We started rhyming, and then the song built up from there, and then I went to the studio and did the song. Lovely DJ Budget. So tell me, DJ Budget, like since the song like is making waves, Baba, like what are the future plans for the songs? Do you have any plans like on pushing it, or it's just going to be one of those songs that sends a hype and then dies away? Tell us, what are you planning on? No, Mfethu. What I can promise you is that the song won't die out just like that. We're busy now, like I'm with this production company called Easy Visuals. Yeah, and we're planning to shoot this video this month. Imali Kwecha, like I think the song deserves even naive when I'm it can't just go out like that. Great stuff, DJ Budget. Okay, yeah. Well, thank you very much. Any last words for your fans and followers? Thank you, my brother. Yes. To my fans and followers at home, like a lot is more to come. They must continue to subscribe to my links. You will see them appearing there, down there on your screen. Yeah, a lot is going to come out, more music, and as we promised, the video will be out very soon. Thank you very much.